Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Namar ka jingbom sngo hun yikarkom Triang Vice Chancellor of Northeastern Hills University o Professor Prabhas Shankar Shukla. Pada kaju kapor ka jingmi shibon kikinrum kenram na do bala shimti yakakam como Vice Chancellor jong ka Nehu nakaliang kisamla puli ka teka school ba kila dawa ba utayu Professor uday ban Hiar Shuki no Mardor como Vice Chancellor jong ka Nehu bad amtang kata kita kisamla puli kila penlongru daga jing shong syak tangan ka baklembo por hakmat ka office Triang jong Vice Chancellor ka bala sedang na do manhenin ka janbet ka henre tarik unaiwing arajar arpusau Hagaban kaliang Shukla uloong baunam Hiar Shuki Satya nakakam Vice Chancellor na Maria kajing tungkam yu hapo ka school ba lale deka President Jong Kari. Habakren sikilat patay kubor haslong press club mentakas ngi ka Henry tarik unai wing. Shukla uloong ba yakiray baro lale deka President Jong Kari amdamo ushimet batkat kum kirukom tarekam ulaban le yakata tangba lingba uskretri katanat badai kmi yaka sorkar pedeng But kita baro kikinrum kenramru ladep ban pensngo show secretary jong katanan.
Many things. Okay, the first thing is. Second thing is, my appointment was done by President of India. It's my appointing authority. She can take any decision. Definitely, I will follow. Whatever the decision they are done or going to take by the President of India.
So have you given the proposal to the President?
As per system and norms, I cannot directly even entertain the office of the President of India. I can apprise all the things to the Secretary, Education, Government of India. Already apprised all the things. I cannot write. I don't have the power to directly even discuss or write anything to the President of India. Surpassing the Secretary or Minister Government of India. I can write directly to the Secretary Government of India. Already apprised.
So will you